How much does the government pay to open and clean pools? I've been spending the past week opening and cleaning my pool and dealing with dead frogs, disgusting green water, filters that are so filthy that I had to clean them off multiple times. I felt like I needed a tetanus shot when I was done with this whole operation. There's one company that was paid over $3 million. Let's take a look at exactly what you would have to do to win these contracts, how this company won those contracts, and hell, maybe I can make $3 million for opening pools. Clearly, I'm a pro at it. Look at that. Looks a little bit different, doesn't it?
All right, so I'm on USAspending.gov, and I'll probably blur out the company name here, but just to show you, this is where we can do our research so we can understand exactly how the government buys certain things. In this case, I wanted to look up what the government's spending on people that are cleaning and opening pools, mainly because I was covered in pool crap and interested how much I could get paid to do this for the government. So we could see here, total award to this company was $3.6 million and 125 different transactions. Now we're in fiscal year 2025 right now. So far this fiscal year, they made $559,000, almost $600K, but this number is not done yet, and there is a lag. We could see last year, they made $1.3 million. That's just last year in pool repairs and cleaning pools and doing that type of thing for the government. And we can also see an uptick over the years, right? So last year, 1.3. The year before that, 727,000. The year before that, 295, 250, 211. Talk about a great client. So if you're in the pool business, but this applies to any business, and you're looking for leads, are you even looking at the government? Because these can be some of the best, most lucrative contracts, and you can see how it builds over time. Now, don't look at this as a downturn. If I'm a betting man, I'll look at this number next year, and it will say FY25 is even higher because the uptick is going up and up and up, and we're not done with the year yet, and there's a lag in spending. So I'm betting that in FY25, this company's going to do even more than 1.3 million. We could see this huge jump here. And then talking about things like competition, talking about things like, hey, who are they actually selling to? Well, we could see here that they've sold to the Army, $1.1 million, to the VA, $1 million, Department of the Air Force, $794,000, Navy, federal law enforcement. Did you know all these guys had pools? Did you know that's what your taxpayer money's doing? I did because I was on an Air Force base for so long. We could see they're doing work in Arkansas, California, Louisiana, Florida, Washington. Arkansas, California, Louisiana, Florida, Washington. This is the U.S. states that they're actually working in. Look at this, number of offers received, 2, through simplified acquisitions. Evaluated preference, no preference. You don't need to be some giant defense contractor. This wasn't Lockheed Martin. This was the pool guy. One of their biggest awards for a pool contract, with only 2 proposals submitted. Translation, the federal government needed a pool cleaned, and these guys were ready. So how do you find these types of opportunities? This company was probably watching the sources sought notices and responding directly to the federal agency, in this case, the Air Force. Maybe even talking to the contracting officers before this hit sam.gov, which is the ultimate objective, and it's what we teach in GovClose. Now, most companies wait for a RFP or request for proposals to come out. That's where they lose. These guys, they probably saw the opportunity before it ever went public. Most small businesses ignore government contracting because it sounds complicated. So contracts like this, they go to the few people who know how to play the game. Therefore, the money's not just in being great at your job. It's in knowing how to win contracts. If you want to learn how to do what they did, whether you clean pools, build software, or consult, that's literally what we teach at GovClose. We train people to find these contracts, win them, and build 6-figure businesses. Watch the next video. It breaks down the exact method these companies use, or you can go to govclose.com if you're ready to get started.